I need you, Ryan. What's up, guys? Hello. We're in Georgia. Come here, come here. This is Ryan, right there. That's his FRS LS3. We're gonna be doing some sick stuff again with zero gravity outreach. I have videos from last year. It was like my first video on my own, really, and this is it again this year. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show you everything. Today's Friday. We're gonna be setting up the ramp. The sun's kind of killing it, but we're setting up the ramp. We're gonna be practicing and testing out the cars to make sure everything's good. But you're gonna love it. Stay tuned.
altos. First we need a pair of retros. Fit a Lord on petrol. Seize tight and throw an elbow. Stick to Christ like Velcro. Being led by the Spirit. We ain't led by the finish. Words of evil diminish. Hold up, wait a minute. Keep the builders in the building. Being led by the Spirit.
Looking good. Nice. Oh, what is this? What is this? Had a bit of a boo-boo.
Where are you going, Megan? Where are you going? Everything you just saw in this video, she filmed. So
if it's bad quality, that's why.
My girlfriend is awesome. Anyways. We had a lot of fun. Testing went great. It's just there's a couple of new guys and we're trying to like get the scheduling down, everything packed because we're on a time frame when we do the show, the demo. So there's 2 of them tomorrow. I'm gonna put both of them into one video so it's not repetitive. But this is basically practice, little thing here and there, and I wanted to make it its own video because I wanted you to see, you know, this is kind of like not put together well. Then you'll see an actually choreographed show, and that'll be way better. So I hope you enjoy that video here. We'll end it on this note. So the car did well. You know, it's amazing. It looks great. Everybody likes it. Did you record it with the lights on? Anyways, here is the little accident. I tried to win practice, and it didn't go very well. What do you think, Ed? It didn't go very well. I won against myself and destroyed the quarter panel and fling tire everywhere. The side skirt's fine. I think the bolt just ripped there and then it's a little crack there, but it's nothing major. I think all that will buff out maybe. If not, I have more vinyl. That's what's awesome about vinyl. I'm gonna zip tie this back together. Gonna have a quarter panel for tomorrow. And thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, and everything. I hope you guys enjoy this, and see you tomorrow.